Hey there, financial fanatics. Brace yourselves, as we're about to dive deep into the ocean of economics, peppered with just the right amount of humor to keep you engaged. But don't forget your life jackets of understanding. It's a wild ride. Picture this. It's next year and you're chillin', enjoying the lovely scenery of your interest rates at a high vantage point. Suddenly, a giant wave, labeled Federal Reserve, rolls in and knocks those interest rates down 150 basis points. It's enough to make you lose your lunch, right? Now, if you're wondering, whoa, who could predict such an epic financial wipeout? Let me tell you about Jupiter Asset Management. Yep, the same one that managed a whopping $63 billion in assets as of last March. They're like the surf instructors of the financial world, always calling the big waves before they hit. Now, you might be thinking, why would the Fed do that to our lovely high interest rate views? Nah, they're not the green-eyed monster here. Their rationale is all about bolstering a slowing US economy. I know, right? It's like that one friend who ruins the party early because they're worried about the cleanup the next day. Remember the 1980s? Well, it was also the era of the Fed's most aggressive rate hike cycle. Imagine the financial equivalent of an 80s power ballad. That's how intense it was. And all that intensity is expected to cause a slowdown in economic growth, leading the Fed to execute a policy pivot. A graceful turn on the dance floor of economics, if you will. According to Matthew Morgan, the head honcho of fixed income at Jupiter Asset, it's this pivot that will take a toll on economic growth. He's like the weatherman of the economic world, forecasting the financial climate. Now, before we wrap this up, a quick shout out to anyone who has a confidential tip for our reporters. Your secrets are safe with us. We're all about that insider info. If you're on the Bloomberg terminal, hit us up. And hey, if you're enjoying this roller coaster of finance, don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling, hilarious, and suspenseful content. Who knew economics could be such a riot, huh? There you have it, folks. A snapshot of the financial future, as foretold by Jupiter Asset Management. Until next time, keep those economic life jackets handy and ride those financial waves like a pro.